Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to continue the topic that we are discussing in the last video, that is taxonomical aids. So we have already discussed about botanical garden, museums, zoological parks and herbarium. Okay, and now we are going to start with key. So before that, I recommend you to watch the previous videos as well to maintain a link so you can easily understand what I am teaching right now. The links are in the description box, and also if you like the video, please do subscribe and share. So let's begin the video. So today we are going to discuss about key. Key is also a taxonomical aid. Okay, and what is a key? A key is a set of alternate statements. Okay, it is a set of alternate statements. Means there are two statements which are alternate in their manner. Okay, so or in an elaborated way, if we say that these statements are arranged in such a manner that helps an individual or a scientist. Okay, it can be an individual or a scientist to reach a particular organism. Clear? So what does a key do? A key is a set of statements which are alternate to each other. Okay, and these statements will lead to a particular organism. Okay, so this will help a person to reach a particular organism that the person is searching for. That detail is being searched for. Okay, so and these two statements given a name that is known, or we can say as the two statements are known as couplet. Okay, these two statements are known as couplets. Clear? And in these two statements, like if I say this one is one statement and this is another, so this particular one statement is known as a lead. Okay, lead number 1 and lead number 2. Clear? For example, I am telling you that. So in two statements, one statement only, each statement individually called as lead. Okay, because they are leading to some organisms that we are searching for. Okay, so one is known as lead. So let's take an example to make this topic more clear. Okay, so example is, if we take first couplet. Okay, we are going to take couplets and will reach to a particular organism or the kingdom that we are searching for. Okay, so let's take an example. First couplet is only one celled, or second statement is, or second lead is multicellular organism. You can say that these leads are in the form of questions. Okay, leads are in the form of leads are in the form of questions. Okay, so continuing with that this is our first couplet. Okay, so tell me, let's say have an example of if we are writing this couplet. So if this is my answer, only one celled, so I should go, the thing that is written in the thing written in just front of this lead is like go to 2, means go to second couplet, or if this is my answer, so go to third, means go to third couplet. So let's see what is the second couplet says. Second couplet says nucleus is present or nucleus is absent. This is our second couplet. If this is my answer, that nucleus is present, so it is protista. Clear? And if this is my answer, that is nucleus is absent, then it is monera. Okay, so this is the thing. If we take one-celled organism, clear? One-celled organism, so go to the second one. Second couplet. Second couplet says nucleus is present or nucleus is absent. If nucleus is present, it's protista, and if nucleus is absent, this is monera. So one of these answer lead to our particular kingdom. Clear? So next we move to the third one. As we have our second lead multicellular organism, go to the third couplet. So what is the third couplet? Let's see that. So autotrophic, they are autotrophic or heterotrophic. Autotrophic, which prepare their own food through sunlight, and heterotrophic, which depends on the other organisms. Okay, so if autotrophic, then it's a plantae, kingdom plantae. Clear? Kingdom plantae. And if it's heterotrophic, then again here written as go to couplet 4. Okay, so if I choose multicellular organism as my first, yes, it's multicellular organism that I'm searching for, then go to third couplet. Third couplet shows they are autotrophic or heterotrophic. If my answer is autotrophic, then my search ends in plantae. Okay, and if it's heterotrophic, then my search goes on and I have to move to the fourth couplet. Okay, so fourth couplet is, are they motile or non-motile? If they are motile, okay, motile means if they can move. If they can move, then it's Animalia, kingdom Animalia. If they can't move, then they lie in kingdom Fungi. Clear? Means these are set of questions which leads to a particular organism, particular answer that we are searching for. Okay, these are known as keys. Clear? I hope this topic is clear. Key. Okay, next we'll move to the another one, another means sixth taxonomic aid, that is monograph. So what is monograph? Monograph is nothing but a systematic, it's a systematic study of one taxon or category. Okay, it's nothing but a systematic study of a particular level, a particular taxon or category. Okay, nothing other than that. Then move to the next, that is seventh. Seventh is manual. What are manuals? Manuals are also, I can say that they are just they gives the information about particular topic. If I say in terms of in our particular category, then they gives us information about particular species or about one species. Okay, gives information about one species. Okay, one manual gives information about one species. Clear? Then the last but not the least, that is flora. We come across this term flora and fauna. Okay, so fauna is something that will when we talk about animals, when we talk about zoological means uh, yeah, when we talk about animals of a particular area, zooplanktons and animals, zooplanktons as well as the animals in a particular area. So then at that time we'll call it as a fauna. And if we are talking about plants of a particular area, then we'll name it as a flora. So flora is what? A biodiversity or plants of a particular area. Okay, that is what? Flora. एंड इसी के साथ हम क्या पढ़ते हैं? Fauna. Fauna is what? Animals of a particular area. Okay, with this topic we are done with our first chapter of unit diversity in the living world. First chapter is the living world, and we are done with this in this video. And so if you have any doubt, contact me through my mail that is already written in the description box, and you can also drop your questions in the comment section. And if you want me to make a video on a particular topic that you of biology that you want to make you understand, so I'll try to make it. Just drop it in the comment section if you want me to topic of the topic that you want me to make. Okay, so thank you, and please do subscribe, share and like my video. Thank you very much, and stay safe.